Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Freelancing Jobs. Instruction for Dots Mobile project. You have to know all the instructions carefully before doing your task. That's why I'm speaking little bit slowly so that you could understand properly. Clear? You have to download Dots mobile app. You can see its logo. How does it look? Then first of all, you have to register with your real name and date of birth as well as your nationality. What you have to do is install Dots mobile app from Play Store, then register it with your name, date of birth and your nationality like Indian, okay, or Pakistani, whatever your nationality is, you have to fill that. Second step is after registration, find claim now in my project. Click it and input the work code. Project name is dash. Every freelancer will have a different project name, so you have to fill yours. Okay. So after registration, you have to go to my project, then claim now, and then you have to input the work code and project name, then claim now. Clear? The next step is claim now, then enter the working code and click OK. Clear? The next step is before recording you need to sign the consent letter in your real name, the same as the one you use when registering clearly and accurately. That's mean next step is to sign this with your name, your full name that you have used in your registration process. Next, what you have to do is you will have this sheet on your Android phone, then you have to click on I have accepted this agreement, then submit it. Okay, you can see this blue button written submit. You have to submit it. Now let's go to the final points you have to know. We pay for only qualified data, but don't worry, even though you got unqualified, you can have a second chance to fix it and get the full payment. That means you have to be qualified to get payment. In case you disqualify, you will get a second chance to fix it. Okay, for the correction you will get second chance also, then you will get the full payment. Please follow our instructions carefully. Whatever instruction is given, you have to follow them carefully. Just read the sentences as it is. Don't change the sentences. You have to read the sentences what is showed in the app. You don't have to change any sentence. Just read whatever is being shown. If you find non-Maithili sentences in the script, then please skip to the next sentence. As this is the project regarding Maithili language, so you have to skip other language than Maithili. You just have to record Maithili language. If there is non-Maithili sentence, you have to skip it and go to the next sentence. Clear? Please record in very quiet environment, no AC, no fan, no electrical device which makes sound. You have to be in a very quiet environment because we don't need any background noise. So we don't need any AC sound, fan sound, electrical device sound, any electrical device that makes sound, we don't need it. You just have to be in a quiet environment and record it clearly with your app. The next important thing is you have to download this app Dots Mobile. How it looks you can see. Now go to your Play Store and install this app Dots Mobile Speech Ocean, and then you have to start your recording. Thank you.